Hazrat Abdullah bin Buraidah reports that Abul Aswad said, I went to Medina Munawwara when an epidemic had broken out there. I sat in the company of Hazrat Umar bin Khattab radiyallahu anhu. A dead body on a bier passed by him and deceased was praised. So Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, it has become imperative. Then another passed by and it was also praised. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, it has become imperative. Then the third one passed by and the people spoke ill of him. He thereupon said, it has become confirmed. So Abul Aswad says that he said, O chief of the Muslims, what has become a must? He said, I say the same what the Prophet ﷺ said. If 4 people give the testimony of righteousness about any Muslim, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will admit him to paradise. We said, if 3, he ﷺ said, even 3. We inquired, if 2, he ﷺ said, even 2. Then we did not inquire of him about 1. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1368.